Hey guys, this is the mini video that I'm going to record it. This is mainly to make the printing plate for the carton boxes. Okay, I'm going to take you guys from the process of color separations all the way down to making the plate. These are a sample of the finished plate. You can see the thickness of the plate. This is about 2.8 mm printing plate. This is the finished after curing. You notice that there's a base of the plate, and there is the printing part. Okay, just imagine this is almost like your office stamp and how to stamp, but this is in a bigger printing facility. Okay, after you guys, after the design is go through a color separations. We develop the film. For example, this domino piece of boxes, American standard boxes. These are the film. Okay, that came out from our machine, film developing machines. We go to the film editing. And you come over here. Here is the UV curing machines where you have a true flat glass plate, and he's gonna do it just about now. Okay. All right. Just lay the film down, and he put a matte film on top of that particular film. Tự hết chưa luôn ha?
Cái lỗ này nó hơi rồi.
Anh hiểu rồi. So he vacuumed the film. He vacuumed the film so that the film stick flatly on the matte film stick flatly on the black and white film. So after the film is vacuumed, it's flat, and he's gonna cut the matte film out. Notice the plate is going to be formed on this matte film, and he's gonna put the borders so that the liquid photopolymers will not leak out of his border. So look at that foam borders. không cần đeo găng tay, không cần che mặt nữa, khi mồ hôi nó chảy xuống là sao? Không đến nỗi hả?
Dạ không. Tính ra mồ hôi chứ. Mình chỉ sợ lúc mà ấy vết phim á, vết phim mà có mồ hôi tay á, nó dính vô vết phim rồi dính xuống mưa mệt nữa.
Đúng rồi đó, thì em không có đeo găng tay. Không có mua sẵn bọc găng tay hả? Có không?
Có găng tay nhưng mà có găng tay cũng vết phim không được.
Okay. So he put the border in. Now he's gonna measure. Okay, he's gonna measure his length and his width and his length, and he's gonna do a calculations of how much resin he needs. Okay. So he got. Ba ký hả?
Dạ gần 4 kg.
So he's gonna need 4 kg for this plate. He measure the length and the width, and he's gonna do 4 kg for one plate. So if you notice, if this is a 2 colors or 4 colors carton boxes, you will need 4 plates like this. So maybe just one printing plate for 4 colors need about 16 kg already. Yeah, so he's gonna measure and he's gonna pour the UV. So notice that every day we use a few pails already, not just, drop by drop like the adhesive. And this is the manual one. We have the automatic machine over there, which later on will pump the liquid and vacuum the liquid automatically. This is like a multi-manual machine. See the difference between a solid printing plate and the liquid printing plate is that the solid printing plate have one solid plate and you use chemical etching. So whatever the photopolymer that you etch, you throw it away. While liquid plates, after they go to a UV, the liquid polymer that is not cured can be reclaimed, and I show the reclaim part in the later part of this video. So he basically measure roughly what he needs. And you notice there's some bubbles, so he's gonna hot air the bubble away. Add some bubbles. Now he's gonna put a polycarbonated film on the top, which serves as two things. The polycarbonated film will keep the photopolymer plate intact and will not be stretched when it gets on the printing roller. So he's going to cut the polycarbonated film and lay on top of it. And another purpose of polycarbonated film is to make sure that the photopolymer doesn't stick on the glass. So he's going to put the polycarbonated film right on top of this, which is also the base for the printing plate. So he's going to put in the spacers. Notice that you have two parallel glass. So he put the spacers in, so the glass on the top is going to come down. It will create a perfect parallel surfaces. And then he got the UV cure. The UV cure is going to be two stages. The first stage is going to be making the base of the printing plate. There's something out there that he wants to block the UV. Okay. Kính chè đó hả?
Cái đó dư ra mình lấy lại hết.
Here's the machine is coming down. So after the two parallel glass surfaces coming down, we will do the UV light shining on the bottom and shining on the top. Okay. Notice the top part is going to be your base, and your bottom part is going to be, because it's shining through the film, so it'll be your printing material, printing pictures. Here after UV cure, the product came out like this, and the difference between liquid and solid. It's liquid, you can reclaim 30-40% of the UV, and you can redo it again. While solid, after you etch it, you cannot reclaim. It's one thing. Second thing is that you have to recycle the solvent that you etch, and that gets expensive and not environmental friendly. As liquid, you just reclaim, and the tacky surface is still pretty tacky. Can be washed with soap water. Notice. See, he can reclaim that. And look at how much he reclaimed. Okay. So you notice if it's more letters, more wording, you correct back, reclaim a lot more. But if it's pictures, you don't reclaim the whole lot. But average about 30-35%. So after you reclaim the UV, what you do, you put it in a soap water washer. So basically you have a soft brush down there, and the brush is moving like a waxing direction, rounded direction, just moving like wax on, wax off. Kind of more like a car waxing. Right. How long? Only about 10 minutes. After washing, you go into another UV, you see another UV light right here, just to make sure all the printing material is cure one more time. Okay. Post cure, you can call it post cure. This solution, the post cure and hardener, actually it's hardened the extra hardened the printing plate using the water and this kind of powder, and it will be tapped out. And after that, we wash it again. Wash it again, and then we got a domino. Wash it again, and we got a domino piece of like printing plate. Okay, after wash, then go to an extra drying. To make sure that there's no more tang. Chống cái độ ướt rồi.
Đâu phải, nó dính nhựa đấy.
UVC hả? Còn này là cái là UVA. Notice the first process was UVA. The second process was washing. The third process is UV wet cure at 35 degrees. The last process is dry cure at 35 degrees, going down this way. Okay? So UVA and UVC 2-stage, 10 minutes each. And here's your final plate. He's taking out the final plate, the same thing. So that's a finished plate. And that display, cái này bán cỡ nhiêu?
Tính một cân.
Cái này khoảng nhiêu? Okay. And this plate is $150 per plate. And that's the final. You deliver to the customer.